This is the largest protest Tbilisi has seen this year. Thousands of people saying they don't want Parliament to adopt the so-called Foreign Agents Law. Some came with gas masks, as police used tear gas before.
Yeah, we are fighting for freedom. Our government, they do not respect our wish. They go their way, we are not liking this. That's why we're here.
The law would force NGOs and media receiving at least 20% of their funding from abroad to declare themselves as agents of foreign influence. A similar law was adopted by Russia in 2012. EU officials who gave Georgia candidate status in December say the law is a step in the wrong direction and could hinder Georgia's bid.
We are against Russian law. We don't need Russian law, Russian government. So we protest this and we want to go to the Europe.
President Salome Zurabishvili has promised to veto the law if it passes the third reading in Parliament. Her brother was among the protesters.
Every time she said that she did have a law, she do it. The choice of Georgian people is to be European. It's described in the constitution.
Georgia's Prime Minister says the law is necessary for transparency, but he says Georgia remains committed to EU membership.
Georgia will become an EU member very soon. We are putting all our efforts so that in 2030, I'm sure, we will have EU membership and not later.
Polls show at least 80% of Georgians want their country to become a member of the EU.
These protesters say this is a decisive moment in the country's history where Georgia essentially chooses its future. They say they will continue coming out until their voice is heard. Dmitry Medvedenko, Al Jazeera, Tbilisi.